Good morning children, welcome back to online classes. In our last video, we have learned equivalent fraction, what are equivalent fraction and how to obtain an equivalent fraction by multiplication. Now, you know children, multiplication and division are the inverse operation of each other. As multiplication is repeated addition and the division is repeated subtraction. So multiplication and division are the inverse process of each other. So if we obtain equivalent fraction by multiplication, so can we also obtain equivalent fraction by division? Yes, of course. And in this video, we are going to learn how to obtain an equivalent fraction by division. We know that half, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10. These are an equivalent fraction of the fraction half. Okay, half is our 1 by 2 is our root fraction, and these are all the fraction which we obtain after multiplying this root fraction. If we multiply it half by 2, we will obtain 2 by 4. If we multiply it by 3, we will obtain 3 by 6. If we multiply half by 4 by 8, we will obtain 4, we will obtain 4 by 8. And if we multiply it by 5, we will obtain 5 by 10. Half multiplied by 2, we will get 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Half multiplied by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 2 threes are 6. Half multiplied by 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Half multiplied by 5 is equals to 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So this we have learned in our yesterday's video. You have learned how to multiply the given fraction to obtain the new equivalent fraction or the similar fraction of the given fraction. Now, if your given fraction is 2 by 4, so if you ask to obtain an equivalent fraction of this 2 by 4, so as we are multiplying half by 2, in the same way we can divide this 2 by 2 or 2 by 4. Now see by what number can we divide this 2 by 4? We can divide it by 2. So we'll divide it by 2, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. In the same way, if we divide 3 by 6 by 3, we will obtain 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. 4 by 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. 5 by 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So how we can obtain equivalent fraction after multiplication? In the same way, to the given fraction, if we divide with a number, we can obtain an equivalent fraction of that number itself. Okay, so this only you have to remember. Suppose your fraction, you have given a fraction 12 by 50, and if you ask, here you have given the condition, obtain an equivalent fraction with numerator 4. Okay, now you have to find out an equivalent fraction to this fraction whose numerator is 4. Now what you will do, you will see 12 is the multiple of which number? 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, here one number is given 4. So 4 3s are 12. It means what? 12 is divided by 3. And if 12 is divided by 3, it means 15 is also divided by 3. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 50. Okay, so in the next exercise, you might have given the condition. Obtain an equivalent fraction with numerator 4, obtain an equivalent fraction with numerator 5, or obtain an equivalent fraction whose denominator is 5. Let's see one more example. If your given fraction is 12 by 15, and if you ask, obtain an equivalent fraction with the denominator 5. Now here you have given, obtain an equivalent fraction with denominator 5. It means 15 is divided by one of the number. After dividing, we will obtain 5 as a question. So by what number can we divide 15 to get 5 as a question? So for this you need to try to divide 15 by 5. And what question you will obtain, it means by that number only we will divide 15 to get question as a 5. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. It means 15 is divided by 3. 15 is divided by 3 to get 5. So in the same way, if it is divided by 3, it means naturally numerator is also divided by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, so in the same way you have to do that. Find out what number you can divide to the given number to obtain the numerator, to obtain the given numerator, and to obtain the given denominator. And in this way you have to find an equivalent fraction for the given fraction. This exercise is very simple. You need to try to divide, to solve all the question given in this exercise. And if you face any problem, any questions, you can drop message on the WhatsApp. Exercise number 5.6 is your today's homework. Thank you. Have a good day.